Where is Jordan Peterson? Where is this man? Dude, I've been waiting for months to get an update. How is everyone doing today? Welcome to the King Leo Show. I have to talk to you guys today about Jordan Peterson, which we do updates on every once in a while, but I really am confused as to what's going on here. This Samantha Guthrie situation, this woman who was kidnapped, it has me thinking of Jordan Peterson and my long going theory that I don't know what's going on. I don't know if he's locked up in a basement in Ontario and Mikhaila is feeding him steaks like in Silence of the Lambs. This is really, I don't know if he's been kidnapped. We don't know what's going on with Jordan Peterson. Jordan Peterson has been missing. I think he tweeted the last time in January, and it was a retweet. I don't know where Jordan Peterson is, and neither do you. And I'm very disturbed as to the fact that no one's asking this question. Okay, Jordan Peterson, the last time we saw him publicly, started bursting into tears as he tends to do on the Piers Morgan show, if I'm not mistaken. Before that, he had done some ridiculous Jubilee debate. And the last time we heard about him was from Mikhaila Peterson on Piers Morgan a few months ago, and she said that he was literally being attacked by demons and his health was not improving. And I'm not trying to go full Tucker Carlson here, man, but this is getting scary. I really would like to know. Look, I don't even like Jordan Peterson. I don't think Jordan Peterson is insightful anymore. I don't think he ever really was. But whatever, this is a human being that was very important to the culture of the late 2010s. This is a guy who, changed a lot of people's lives for better or worse. This is a celebrity that is just missing, and people are just accepting this. I don't understand. Where is the wellness check? Where is the Canadian government? They keep saying he has health issues, and this has been going on for years. And what bothers me is that his fans, his detractors are like, hell yeah, I hope he's dying or whatever, which is crass. But his fans are like, oh, Mikhaila, I feel so bad for you and your dad. Dude, she has to be doing something to this guy, allegedly, right? Like, everything I say here is a joke, but, for YouTube purposes. But there's no way that this is the real story. Something is going on here. Where is this man? He had a drug addiction. He had cancer. He had this. He had that. And I don't even know. Is this a Weekend at Bernie situation? Where is the real Jordan Peterson? Will the real Jordan Peterson please stand up? I think that this is a very disturbing event, especially for my Baudrillardians. Check in, Baudrillardians, dude. We really have seen, unfortunately, for better or worse, the death of a sign, which is what Jordan Peterson was. For my Baudrillardians, they know what a sign is. This archetype, to put it in Petersonian terms, Jordan Peterson was very useful to society in the 2010s because he was the figure of the calming father, this father that's going to get things together. And as soon as he was no longer useful, he was cast out to the Daily Wire to go work with the most annoying people on the planet, like Ben Shapiro and Matt Walsh, right? And now he's just gone. Where is he? Anytime he's in public, that's the thing. I feel like I haven't seen the real Jordan Peterson in years either. His public appearances, as I mentioned, are just a blabbering, crying mess. For a long time, people used to argue about his ridiculous clothing, wearing a full tuxedo to the Joe Rogan podcast, these suits that were split into colors. And I'm over here thinking, just like with Charlie Kirk, a guy I wasn't a fan of either. Am I the only guy who still cares? Am I the only guy who's wondering what's going on? What the hell is going on? Someone needs to shut down Mikhaila Peterson's YouTube channel until we know what the hell is going on. I'm at a point where I want to put out a reward. We can crowdfund it, or I have a $1 reward. How about that? If you can show me proof of life, man. This is sick. Where is he? How is no one actually caring about this, man? Justin Trudeau, man, I understand you didn't like the guy, but he's a Canadian citizen. It's about damn time. Donald Trump, aren't you there to check? Ben Shapiro, Matt Walsh, don't you guys care about this guy? Don't you want to know where he is? I can't think of another political or cultural figure that has disappeared like this. Do you know how hard it is to disappear in the age of the internet? There is no reason for Jordan Peterson to be completely and utterly missing. And all we hear in terms of updates of his life, if he's even alive, is his daughter coming out and crying with her over Botoxed face and the ice on her wrist. You know, she's got like 3 rollies on and a gold chain, crying about how I'm not even playing around, dude. She said demons were attacking her family. If this were you, if this were a common person, and the police came to your house and they said to your wife or your daughter, hey, where is the guy? Where is the gal? And they said, hey, my family's been being attacked by demons. Do you know what they would do? They would arrest you and they would break into your house to find the person because it's suspicious. And dude, maybe it doesn't hit the young Zoomers as much. But I remember there was a time, man. There was a time I saw Jordan Peterson here in Miami years ago. He went to the Fillmore. It was a weird event. I didn't enjoy it. He was like babbling with Dave Rubin about some crap. I was just curious. I wanted to see what the hype was. This was at peak Jordan Peterson. And I saw all these people waiting to see him, you know, pretending to understand all of the schizo babble coming out of his mouth, holding their 12 rules for life to get it signed. Where are those people? This guy was a big deal. And now he's not here anymore. This is not, it's frustrating at this point. It's really frustrating because we have a right to know. I feel like that Tom Waits song, you know, like, what's he building in there? We have a right to know. What is Mikhaila Peterson doing to her father? What is going on? What is actually, does the Canadian government, have they arrested him or something? Where is he? But more importantly, where are his fans? This is a more disturbing thing, and my Baudrillardians will know, is that you don't really exist outside of your fans anymore. Yeah, you as a person don't. But his fans have been like eviscerated. They don't exist anymore, just liquidated. No one's asking for a health check or a wellness check. All they do is say, thank you, Mikhaila, for the update. And the haters don't even care. This is a sick culture, man. It's a sick culture. If there's anything in life that you don't want to end up as, dude, you don't want to end up like Jordan Peterson. If that's what we can learn from this at all, is you don't want to end up like Jordan Peterson. You don't want to end up as like this jester-maxed guy that no one can take seriously. And now they care so little of you that they don't even demand a legal check on you, despite your daughter. It seems like she's exploiting him. Like, it looks like elder abuse at this point, right? You don't want to end up that way, man. Charlie Kirk was treated better. As I said from the beginning, Charlie Kirk, very lucky guy. He gets to live forever in AI. Jordan Peterson? Was Jordan Peterson ever real? That's where I'm going now. Was this ever real? Was Jordan Peterson ever a real guy? Because the lack of attention to him is what makes it disturbing to me now, even more. The Peterson Academy page is getting updated on YouTube. I'm sure his Daily Wire channel is getting updated too. But I don't know where Jordan, my brother, my Canadian brother, Jordan Peterson, where are you? I need to know. Appreciate you guys tuning in. If you have any news on where Jordan Peterson is, dude, if anyone's in Toronto and they hear some screaming from a basement, let me know in the comments, man, because I'm genuinely concerned. I want to see what the outcome of this whole thing is. And like, comment, and subscribe to prove you're not a bot. But more importantly, to prove you're not a bot, please give me some information, dude. I will send you $1 if you have information on Jordan Peterson, and it can be verified. All right, I'm going to be like the FBI. You probably won't get paid because I can't verify it. But whatever. Tell me. The world deserves to know. We have a right to know. I will see you guys tonight.